Hello, hello, hello. I'm here to try out and review these stamps. These are from Savy Sassy Sistah. The artist name is Emily, and it's stampingbella.com is the website. I'll make sure and link that below. But yeah, I've had these for a couple of years now, a couple handful of years, I suppose. I don't even remember where I got them. They were originally $11, but it looks like they were probably on sale. This one was $7.25, this one was $11. So I'm guessing they were on sale, because usually that's how I buy my art supplies. Let's go ahead and open the one that doesn't have the exterior packaging and see how they are. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this on our stamp block. Oh, it does not stick to a stamp block, unfortunately. Push, push, push. Nope. That's a shame. Alright, well, let's see if we can try to do this in spite of the fact it doesn't stick to the stamp block. Yeah, that is a shame that it won't stick. Alright. Well, just because it doesn't stick doesn't mean we can't figure out something. Okay, I've covered it with ink. Just use the stamp block to push it down. I'm thinking just a dot of some glue stick will work if I were going to print a lot of stuff. Yeah, the stamp turned out really cute, really nice. It has a nice deep groove in it. That's very cute. Like I said, it is a shame. I do have a glue stick. Let's try that real quick, shall we? Alright, so I just got a good old Elmer's glue stick. We're gonna just put a little bit right there. Let that sit for a moment. Oh, look at that. It's holding. Alright, now let's try to stamp it. Yeah, that worked. That worked quite well. Alright, problem solved. Just a little glue stick. Keeps it attached. Lovely. And the design is super cute. Now another one I have is the one that looks like trees. If you have ever tried any of her stamps, let me know what your experience was. Again, I've got that little bit of glue there, so I'm just gonna... Okay, yeah, just a little bit of glue on the back seems to make it stick pretty nicely. Okay, try this stamp. I think I might have, no, I was gonna say maybe I did this one upside down, but no, I didn't. Yeah, I do love how deep these are cut. Very nice. So we've got two that are excellent, excellent. Now let's try the last pack, which has like a little cottage style design. A couple little cottage houses. Cute, cute. All right, putting it on the stamp or on the block. Uh-oh. Oh, we're gonna need a little bit more glue for this one to stick. Alright. See if we can get this to work with us. There we go. All right, yeah. Not bad at all. Oh, that's super cute. Little house. Very cute. Yeah, I like the stamps a lot. I was a little surprised that I needed a glue stick because I wasn't expecting that. And I'm not seeing it say that anywhere on the packaging. But the design is super cute. Comes out nice and clear. I like it. Now I could ink them up just a little bit more, but for right now, for this, I think this is good. But yeah, I recommend these. Like I said, I will link the website below. Stampingbella.com. If you've ever purchased anything from Stampingbella.com, let me know what you think of their stamps. I haven't been to their website in a while, so I'll check and make sure it's active still before I link it below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.